Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Plasticity. Well, today I want to introduce you to the power of lofting, right? That is so very cool and so powerful. Now, what lofting is basically connecting curves to each other. And if these curves have different shapes, then you'll get some very amazing looking shapes, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a simple circle, and we're just going to click here and drag that out. So that would be our starting point, right? Now I want to loft this with a different shape. So let's go with a rectangle here, and let me actually make that a center rectangle. Just hit C. We'll do something like this, and then we'll hit G to move that up, go up here, okay? Then we're going to accept that. Then we're going to go and grab one of these guys and drag that out. And again, we're going to hit G and we're going to pull this up. Now, this lofting principle is especially interesting if you are into, for example, car modeling or whatnot. This will allow you to create panels and all that kind of stuff, right? But for now, I'll show you how this works. So we're going to click on OK. And what I'm going to do is go to edge mode, and I'm going to grab this guy, and I'm going to shift click this guy, and we're going to hit L to loft. There you go. And already you see that we now have a perfect transition from a circular pattern to a square one. But can I continue to do this to this guy right here? And if you're into polymodeling, you know that this is a nightmare, right? But here it's not a problem at all. So we're going to go and select this guy. Let's click on OK first. We're going to select this guy, and we're going to shift select this guy, and we're going to hit L once again. And here you see how you can perfectly loft all of that, right? Now, of course, you can loft from individual curves as well. You don't have to have a shape, right? So let's go in here and I'll show you. We'll just hold this down. We'll get this guy. And I'm just going to start to create something like this, right? And we're going to accept that. And then we're going to go and drag a straight line like this and right click. We're going to raise that one up. And we're going to move it up here somewhere, right? And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go and accept this. We're going to go from edge mode, select this guy, shift select this guy, and hit L to loft. See how cool that is? Well, that's the principle of lofting. So hopefully it will be helpful in your workflow. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, consider subscribing, okay? That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.